In this video, I'm going to show you how you can troubleshoot your Badoo dating app. So if you are experiencing lag on your app, maybe the app can't also open, or it keeps on crashing, or it is too slow, then let me show you how you can fix that problem for once and for all. If you found this video helpful, I'll kindly request you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to my channel. Alright, there are quite a number of steps you can take for you to be able to troubleshoot or fix any problem with your app. In the first method, we need to go ahead and access the app information page. And to do that, just go to settings here. And for the sake of this tutorial, I'm using a Redmi smartphone. However, this process should be more or less the same on any other Android smartphone. From the list, scroll down until you see this option called Apps. Tap on it, and under Apps, look for the option called Manage Apps or any related function. If you tap on it, it will go ahead and list all the apps you have on your smartphone. From the list, look for your Badoo app, and look at that, here it is. Tap on it, and we are on the app information page. If you can't get to this app info page, then let me show you a shortcut method to get here. For that, just go back and then look for your app, and then long press on it. Then choose the second option, app info, as you can see here. From here now, we want to go ahead and clear the app data. So if I go ahead and tap on storage, you can see we have a lot of app data. Now, in the first method, we want to clear the cache data. When you talk of cache data, we are talking of small files that the app normally stores, or your app normally stores to enhance user experience. But the problem is when these files are too many, sometimes they might cause your app to malfunction. To fix this, go ahead and tap on clear data, and then choose the second option, clear cache, and then OK, and that will have cleared your cache data. From here, restart your smartphone and then open your app to see if the problem has gone away. If you're still experiencing any problem, then just come back to this app info page, and this time around, go ahead and tap on clear all data, and then OK, and then go ahead and log in afresh to be able to start using your app without any issue. However, if you're still experiencing any problem, then you might want to go ahead and look for this app or access the app either through Google Play Store or App Store if you're on iPhone. For my case, I'm on Android, and therefore I'll go ahead and search for the app through Google Play Store. And here's my Play Store, and then I'll search for my app, and here it is. Look for any update that is available and then update your app to the latest version. By updating your app, you'll be able to fix any bugs or security issues related to your older version of the app. You'll also be able to get the latest features that comes with this app. Once you're done, now you can open your app and start using it without any issue. So if you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.